Hey guys, so welcome back to another quick form video. In today's video, we're talking about Cricket Wireless and how it's increasing the upgrade intervals to 1 year. So basically, what this means is, guys, and this could be really bad news for Cricket Wireless. I think that's one of the things that we're probably keeping a lot of customers with them, just because of their upgrade timer was so quick. And a lot of other carriers, of course, are a lot longer, or now the 1 year mark. So Cricket Wireless, if you guys don't know, their intervals of upgrading was pretty quick, but now they're bumping up to 1 year, guys. So yeah, basically you have to wait 1 year if you have Cricket Wireless to do your upgrade. So of course, on prepaid upgrade, what you do is usually you get discounts on a phone. So let's say a Moto G Pure, let's just say it's $160. You might be able to get it for $15 or $20 with a prepaid upgrade. If you don't have that upgrade available, you have to pay full price. Just an example, you know. So let's get into this. Is by bestmvnetwork.com, and then we'll check out cricketwireless.com in a little bit. But this right here is basically a picture from, it looks like a Walmart, and definitely it is. But let's go ahead and check it out, guys. And of course, we're going to read this article together, and I'll give you my my honest opinion about it and see what I think about it, you know, especially being in the cell phone industry for such a long time. So it says it's a new year, and savings is among the more popular New Year's resolution for Cricket Wireless customers. This may be holding on to their phones a little longer. And that is true, guys. People are holding on to their phone a lot longer, more and more. I mean, I'm seeing people upgrade their phone every 4 or 5 years. Now, these are people that usually have their phones a long time. You know, the younger generation, should I say, they tend to upgrade their phone, you know, every year, every 2 years, you know, and I'm kind of prone to that. You know, I had the 13 Pro and I upgraded to the 14 Pro just because I wanted a better camera. So I kind of am guilty as well. So it says new issue, detailed in a newly issued prepaid report by Wave 7 Research and uncovered by Mill Hustle. So shout out to him. He's a YouTuber as well. Starting today, January 6th, Cricket Wireless customers will have to wait 12 months to receive a discount upgrade price when buying a new phone. Ooh. And like I said, a lot of people with other prepaid carriers like Boost or Metro, they might be saying, well, you know, I'm already used to it. I've had to wait a year before, so, or 6 months. I believe it was 6 months, and then they bumped it up to a year with like Metro by T-Mobile or anything like that. So like I said, if you're already used to something like this, then, you know, but for Cricket Wireless, if you're with Cricket Wireless, like I said, it was a lot quicker. Now, let's say you have to wait 12 months to get that upgrade discount I was telling you about. So, let's see what's that. So what does this mean exactly? It says when a customer purchases a phone at Cricket, either online or in a store, which a lot of people still love going to stores. Everybody's saying, oh, the stores are going away. I don't think so, guys. People love to go to a local store and just get all their stuff transferred, maybe buy an accessory, you know, whatnot. I know the newer generation, you can do it online and just get it done with. Me personally, I like to order everything, but I know there are people that love to go to a store and see what's new. So it says there's a waiting period before they are eligible for the discounted price. So like I was telling you, when you buy a phone, there's a timer. So either it's going to be a year, or it might be, you know, 6 months or whatever it is. So it says, for most customers, it is worth the wait. And like I said, this is on prepaid. Now on postpaid, they don't do contracts anymore. So as long as you pay off the device, you can upgrade your device anytime. But like I said, on prepaid, you have to buy the phone outright. So most people wait until that upgrade timer is up. It says until 2021, the waiting period for a new device discount was 90 days. Wow. So you would only have to wait 90 days, guys, to get your upgrade discount on Cricket Wireless. In 2022, the wait period doubled to 180 days, which is still not bad at all. It says it is believed that this was Cricket's effort to improve profitability and and curtail demand for more devices. So, and that does make sense, guys. Yes, it's nice to have that discount, but if you're thinking everybody's upgrading every 90 days, you know, why in 90 days there's not a new device that came out? What are you going to do? Upgrade to the same phone you already have? So that they're saying that. I do agree with that, should I say. Another thing is profitability. You know, Cricket Wireless is not you know, it's not a donation center, or it's not a charity or anything like that. They're a for-profit company. So if they're going to sell you a phone for $160 and they sell it to you for 20, they're losing out on all that because they have to pay for that phone. You know, they're guaranteeing that you're going to stay with them longer. That's why they're giving you an upgrade. They make, remember, cell phone companies make money off the service, not off the phone, guys. So just be wary about that. So I do agree with that. Like I said, the company needs to make money, guys. So they cannot be giving you a discount every 90 days or even 180 days. And then, of course, like I said, it gives them time to for new phones to come out. I mean, every 90 days when it was, I mean, that's crazy. New phones don't come out that quick, you know what I mean? Especially on a prepaid carrier. It says, and then in 2022, it says for most of 2022, the discount for existing customers was notably lower than its previous year. With some phones, and that is true, I've noticed that. I've been making videos on Cricket Wireless, Boost and Metro and all that stuff, and I've noticed, and everybody knows this, other YouTubers will tell you this, that Cricket Wireless is pretty stingy on their discounts. You know, so the Moto G Stylus 5 remains still at full price for several months. They have not discounted that phone at all. So still full price, even though it's on prepaid. And let's say you're eligible for your upgrade after the 1 year or the 90 days or the 180 days, whichever one portion you were in that time, the phone's still full price. They've not discounted it. So most of their phones, like you might be thinking, oh, 90 days or 180 days, I get a discount on the phone. Remember, this was not all the phones, guys. They give you a selection of phones that were discounted. So it says during this time, supply was low and a nationwide shortage for one of the most popular phones in the lineup was a reality. So a lot of people wanted that phone and many other phones, and there was just a shortage. You cannot get it. Customers reacted to the shortage by switching to Metro by T-Mobile and getting the same phone for free. That is true, guys. I mean, it's funny, guys, because like I said, I'm in the prepaid sector as well, and if you can't get a phone at that price, you can switch over to another network. Even though I would say Cricket is better than Metro for coverage wise, or T-Mobile, should I say, I would stick with Cricket. But I mean, if they're enticing you with getting that phone that, let's say it's $300 on Cricket, you can get it for free on Metro for switching over. A lot of people are gonna make the switch, and you know, then Cricket's losing customers. So they gotta kind of, it's really a cat and mouse game, and you have to kind of level everything up to balance it. So it's very tough for a company, should I say, especially if, like, say your main competitor is doing it for cheaper. So that's something they have to watch out for. And like I said, these were basically the hoppers, guys. So this is that Boost Mobile used to do, like I said, Metro and Cricket. Let's say you got Cricket and Boost Mobile's offering you an iPhone SE for free. If you switch over to them, let's say you're gonna switch over. Or A50, an A50, let's say a Samsung A50, Metro saying, hey, you can switch over to us, you get it for free. If you're on Boost, you're switching over. If you're on Cricket, you're switching over, and vice versa. So they're just going, like I said, back and forth. So it says, once again, hitting Cricket where it counts in the profit column. And that is true because they're losing customers. Like I said, cell phone companies make their money off the service, not the phones, really. So beware about that. So like I said, Cricket Wireless pushing the upgrade interval back from 6 months to 12 months is a rational move that will improve profitability for Cricket/AT&T. Remember, Cricket is on AT&T's network and is owned basically by AT&T. So like I said, other carriers like Boost Mobile and Metro, they're doing the same. So it's not too bad, but I think that's one main reason that a lot of people were sticking with Cricket Wireless. I know if I never really tried out Cricket Wireless network. Jeez, I don't know why I couldn't say that word. Probably because it's pretty early in the morning when I'm making this video. But guys, like I said, it's every carrier is doing it. But if you're a Cricket and you're doing it better than other carriers, and I'm like, hey, I can get a new phone every 180 days or 90 days or whatever, I'm gonna stick with Cricket because I want a new phone. I don't know. Maybe some people will disagree, some people will agree. It just makes sense for Cricket though that they're gonna push it back to a year. So I mean, now it's kind of even playing field. Everybody's doing it. Cricket Wireless was the only one doing it. Will that hurt them? It probably can, but who knows. It says, according to one retail store manager, many customers were upgrading at the first available opportunity. But there you go. See, like I said, a lot of people, they just want something new, you know. A polling of one Mid-South dealer with 50 plus locations reported almost 70,000 devices sold, with 45% of them being upgrades. Wow. Customers' demand for more phones was not really affected with a 180-day waiting period. But there was, of course, a shortage of devices in the prepaid market segment, including the Moto G Peer, there's one that I was talking about, and the Samsung A53. The Moto G Peer was definitely pretty cheap, but it was one that a lot of people wanted. So that was then, this is now, like they're saying. Looking forward to 2023 and the 12-month waiting for new devices. The forecast for basically these devices purchases look a little grim. By enforcing a full year before existing customers are eligible for a discount, this could mean a higher churn rate for Cricket. That's what I was talking about. But those who do not mind paying the higher price, it is more money back to the dealer. And, you know, to be honest, a lot of customers could care two flips about the dealer, honestly. They just want a good deal, they want a fair price, and they want an upgrade pretty quick. So basically right here, what it's saying is, now that they're pushing it back to a whole year, you're more prone, the customer's more prone to have a churn and basically switch over to Metro and try them out for a couple months and then switch back to Cricket. I believe you have to wait like 3 months or something like that before you can do that. Or go to Boost or whoever, you know, try different networks. You're just going to go bouncing back and forth to get the best deal on a cell phone. That's the real reality of it, really. So this could be bad. I mean, maybe they should have just kept that at 6 months. I mean, or even 8 months, you know. Still, at 8 months, you would be, you know, competing with other carriers that make you wait a whole year. They could say, hey, the other competitors make you wait a whole year, we'll make you wait 8 months. Like I said, I don't work for Cricket, but that's just my 2 thoughts, or 2 cents, should I say. Cricket is a nice company. Like I said, I've made many videos about Cricket Wireless and kind of their faults and why I don't make them my main carrier, but it is what it is. So let me know in the comments below what you think. Is this really bad? Is this like a red alert to Cricket Wireless? Hopefully they're watching this. I doubt it, but man, you guys need to do something to attract customers, especially give discounts on your phones. If you're gonna make them wait a whole year, you know, like they're talking about that Moto G stylus, make sure you give them a pretty good discount for making them wait a whole year. But you know, it is what it is. So thank you for watching, guys. Organic Warfare signing off. Time to enjoy the day and get some work done. So thank you for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Hopefully you liked this video. If you did, let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to get back to you. Hopefully the video quality does improve, and so does the audio quality. If you want to support the channel, check out the description below. I will have different links where you can support the channel. So thank you so much, guys, and have a nice day.